Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the best YouTube channel ideas for 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your content, we've got you covered with some exciting niches and tips to grow your channel. Let's jump right in. 1. How to make money online. Dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. Share tips, strategies, and insights to help your audience boost their income from the comfort of their homes. 2. Travel and lifestyle. Inspire your viewers with breathtaking adventures, travel hacks, and lifestyle tips. Show them how to live life to the fullest. 3. Food and cooking. From delectable recipes to unique cooking techniques, dive into a culinary journey that satisfies every palate. Fitness and health. Share workouts, wellness tips, and healthy lifestyle advice to motivate your audience towards better health. DIY and home improvement. Guide your viewers on creative DIY projects and home upgrade ideas. It's the perfect niche for those who love crafting and home transformation. Now that we've got some fantastic channel ideas, let's go over some essential tips for starting and growing a successful YouTube channel. Choose a niche. Focus on what you're passionate about, and find your unique angle in the sea of content out there. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment and editing software. Quality content keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Promote your channel. Use social media, collaborations, and other platforms to reach a broader audience and gain subscribers. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel to foster loyalty. Let's get inspired by some success stories. Meet YouTube creators who made it big, hear their tips for success, and discover how their amazing journeys unfolded. If they can do it, so can you. Take inspiration from these stories, but remember to pave your own unique path. Generate leads. Use tutorial videos and informative content to attract potential clients and customers. Build your brand. Establish a strong online presence by aligning your content with your brand identity. Drive sales. Use product showcases and reviews to drive viewers to make purchases. And that wraps up our video on the best AI-powered YouTube channel ideas for 2024. If you found these ideas helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.